Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. We have a pretty ugly chart now since it turned around here on the 10th of June. This was until then a pretty decent wave 1 to the upside and the wave 2 to the downside, basically in a WXY structure. Then we hit our breakout above the descending wedge, but what this is, it looks extremely messy. So I don't really, I don't have a lot of trust in this more direct upside chart, but I'm still tentatively bullish on this short-term wave count as long as price holds the 2230 level. As explained before, with here a structural support, very important. As long as that level is holding, it can protect this more direct and imminent bullish wave count, even though I don't really believe in it and I don't find it a very trustworthy wave count. Yeah, as explained before, it is at best a diagonal structure, and I go with that as long as we're holding 2230, maybe a leading diagonal here in 5 waves in yellow, a leading diagonal of the third wave. Now, if we zoom into the detail here, we completed I shouldn't say most likely, but it seems like we completed an ABC structure in a wave B here on Tuesday, the 25th, around 2286. We never broke support, so I highlighted to you that as long as we're holding the 2230 level, the focus could be on higher, even though I don't find it very trustworthy. But as you can see, the price turned around where it needed to protect the bullish case, the more direct bullish case in the yellow wave count. In white, I have highlighted just the potential subwaves. Now, we turned around, but we now need some evidence that we have really formed a lasting low on Tuesday. How do we get that evidence? Well, we need to see a 5-wave move to the upside of those lows. And what can I see? I can see only 3 waves up so far. I explained to you over the last couple of days that we need to see one more high above $25.70 to have at least a first impulse to the upside. This could turn into an impulse, but I'm still waiting for one more high. Until then, this is just a 3-wave move up, and it is going to be a quite fragile wave count, and the entire structure could break down again because at the moment it's just a 3-wave move up. So to really have a first piece of evidence that we have bottomed here in this larger B wave on Tuesday, I need to see one more push higher to 25.70. I think it can do it, but I don't have 5 up yet. If we get those 5 waves up, and I guess that will happen if we get it, we should get it tomorrow or Monday at the latest, then we can call it a wave 1, highlighted here in white, wave 1 of large degree wave C of 3. Okay, so the idea is if we get the 5 waves up, then we can look for the first ABC pullback in a wave 2 that should form a higher low. And if we get that higher low, and I will be able to give you a support area then, but first of all, I need to get that one more high in a wave 1 if it's supposed to work out. And if we then get a support area that would form a trade setup to trade the third wave of the C wave, which could be quite bullish. But again, in the short term, I just need one more high. And overall, it's not a very trustworthy chart, so just be on the side of caution here. The altcoin sector at the moment in general doesn't look very good. There are, of course, a few altcoins that look okay, but generally the altcoins don't look very good. So let's see if that changes. Let's see if we get that 5th wave. If we do, then I can update the chart with relevant support. But not much more to add at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.